Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily change computer name on Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to bottom to start, right click on start, and then click settings under task manager. When you have it, you could find it here, but I'm going to find also show a different way. Click on the search here and write control panel. You can do it through here, and I'm going to show also, I think this is much faster way what you can do. Then what you want to click on, go to right click on a category and click large icons. And right here, you're gonna see the user accounts, find it, and then change your account name. And then you would see the account name and you would change it, and that's it. I'm stunned away. So that's pretty much it how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Write down below in comments if this video was helpful, so when other people would come they would see okay, it's actually good. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.